Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add quiz on your Instagram story. It's pretty easy and simple. Before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Okay guys, first of all, launch on your Instagram application. Guys, before starting our video, I want to say you that please watching carefully. If you miss or skip any step, you don't understand anything. Okay, if you want to add quiz, so tap on your story. Here you can see on the top left corner your story option. Tap it, and after that, here you can see on the top create option. Just tap on it, and then on the down here you can see lot of options. Just slide it like that, and on the last here you can see this is give me some grips. Like this quiz you can add, and now you can put your option on the first. You can create your question here like that. Do you me, this is question, and put your answer here. That means option here yes, and second one no. And if you want to add third one, just tap on third option and you can use it or not, like that. And now if you want to change background, just here you can see a option on the down. Just tap it and change background like that. And if you want to add sticker or not, no problem. And after complete that, tap it. It's complete. Tap it. And if you want to add sticker, on the top here you can see, just tap it, and now select your sticker from here like that. And after complete editing, then send it, and then here you can see a option share your story, share on the top. Just share it, then done. Okay, here you can see it's uploading now. And then after complete uploading, then tap it. Here you can see this is your quiz. So in this way you can add quiz on your Instagram story very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching.